Today I'm unboxing an office desk chair. This chair has a sleek and modern design. It also features a specifically designed contour to provide lumbar support and comfortability to the lower back. This chair also features an adjustable headrest to provide neck and head support. The 4-inch thick foam seat also makes this chair comfy for long hours of sitting while working at your desk. You are also able to adjust the chair's height and tension levels using the lever on the side and the knob on the underside of the seat. With roll smooth wheels, it is also very easy to move the chair around as needed. This chair is perfect for anyone who spends their day at work or at home sitting at a desk.